Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to greet a happy 40th birthday, Sis Juby Gutay Altabano ng United Macau Skeptron Society, Macau East Council, YouTube channel, AKPAJ Vlog TV, Acro Charity Vlogger, and founder of Team Ayuda, and chairwoman of Skeptron Alliance. Happy birthday, Sis Juby. Naway makamit mo ang lahat ng iyong mga mithiin sa buhay, higit lalo sa iyong pamilya, and more blessing pa, good health, at sana marami ka pang matulungan, and long live, Sisi, long live. Happy 40th birthday, Sis Juby Gutay Altabano from Nimpa Ubiena ng UMSS MEC. Long live, kapatid. Happy birthday.